Hello, second grade friends. This is Mr. Clem. We have been talking about matter in science class. This week, we're going to be talking about what happens when you heat and cool objects, such as matter. Remember, matter is anything that takes up space. One of the videos right below this particular one is a link to a safe YouTube video of ice and what happens to ice when it melts. This is a really cool video. It's really short, like 45 seconds, but it's really fun to watch because it's interesting and fascinating how fast it changes and how it changes. So it's a really cool video to watch. Then I want you to think about what happens to food when you bring it to school. So sometimes I'll bring food to school from home and it needs to be heated. Sometimes I'll get it in the cafeteria, but either way, food needs to be heated in order for it to taste right. If I bring in chicken nuggets from home and I don't heat them up, it's not very good. Sometimes I'll get those little Lunchables, like 5 or 6 chicken nuggets in them, and if you don't heat them, it doesn't work very well because it don't taste very good. So it needs to be heated so it can cook better and it can taste better as well. And so some foods and drinks need to be cold. For example, this water bottle I have over here, I'm about to drink in a few moments. It's better when it's cold. It can be hot, but it's not very good when it's hot. So I like to go in the water fountain. We got the new bottle fillers above the water fountains, get it from there, stick it under there, fill it up, and it's so much better when it's cold. So would your food taste the same though if it was not heated or cooled properly? Probably not, no. If you got some of those chicken nuggets, those Lunchables are really good, but if you don't heat them up to eat the chicken nuggets, they don't taste nearly as good. So it's the same thing when you think about different objects. Objects change as they are heated and as they are cooled. So I want you to think about these different things. So what if you chilled food that's supposed to be heated? Ugh, that would not be very good. So if you ever had cold pizza, it doesn't taste as good as when it's hot. It tastes better when it's hot. So I just want you to think about different things like that. Different things change differently. So if I go outside and I put a whole bunch of crayons on a board and I glue it down like I did last year and I put it out in the hot sun, what's going to happen to them? Do you think it's going to heat up or do you think it's going to cool down if it's in the hot sun? If I put ice, if I put a little thing of ice on a table and I put ice in the freezer, which one is going to stay, or which one's going to change? Is it going to stay the same or is it going to change? So thinking about things like that is what you're going to do on the next activity. In your science next activity chart, what you're going to do is you're going to fill it out. There are different items that are cooled, different items that are heated. And I want you to tell me what happens when those items are heated or cooled. All right? Bye, guys. See you later.